Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was resident of this place where you are taking sannyas. So, what was the purpose of his taking sannyas? He was very respectable Brahmana, Nimai Pandit. This tract of land, Navadvip, is the place of highly educated Brahmanas from time immemorial. So, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu belonged to a very respectable Brahmin family. The son of Jagannath Mishra, his grandfather, Nilambar Chakravarti, very respectable person. He took birth in that family. Personally, he was very beautiful. Therefore, his another name is Gaur Sundar. And he was very learned scholar also. Therefore, his another name is Nimai Pandit. So, and in his family life, he had very nice, beautiful young wife, Vishnupriya, and very affectionate mother. And he was very influential. You know that in one day he collected about 100,000 followers to protest against the Qazi's order. In this way, his social position was very favorable, personal position was very favorable. Still, he took sannyas, left home. Why? Dvaitaye, in order to favor, in order to show mercy to the fallen souls of the world. So, he left a legacy that anyone who has taken birth in India, Bharat bhumite manusya janma hailagya, janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. So, he exhibited personally how to do paropakar, welfare to others, fallen souls. So this sannyas means following the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that Amar Aggai Guru Haiya Tara Ei Desh Jare Dakho Tare Karo Kaho Krishna Padesh. So not only we are trying to create a position that not only the Indians have got this responsibility, but according to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, anyone, Prithivite Ase Jato Nagaradhigya, they should take up this missionary work. And I am so much obliged to you American boys and girls also, that you have taken this Krishna consciousness movement very seriously, and by the grace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you are taking sannyas, some of you, keep it very perfectly, and go from town to town, city to city, village to village, all over the world, and spread this Krishna consciousness movement so that everyone will be happy. People are very much suffering. They, because they are mudhas, rascals, they do not know how to adjust living condition in human form. This is the Bhagavad Dharma everywhere, that the human form is not to become a dog, hog, pig. You should become a perfect human being. Suddhita Satya. Purify your existence. Why you are subjected to birth, death, old age and disease? Because we are impure. Now, if we purify our existence, then there will be no such thing as birth, death, old age and disease. That is the version of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna himself. Simply by understanding Krishna, you become purified and you escape the contamination of birth, death, old age and disease. So try to convince the people in general, the philosophers, the religionists. We have no such thing, sectarian view. Anyone can join this movement and become purified himself. Janma sarthakari karo paropakar. So I am very much pleased. You have given already service to the society. Now you take up sannyas and preach all over the world so that people may be benefited. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,